Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Good morning and good afternoon to everyone who's watching the video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's me, Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can delete a Deezer account. So basically, Deezer account is similar to Spotify where you guys can stream music of your favorite artists as well as buy their music as well. And you guys can even buy the premium version of Deezer, which that means you guys are going to get extra feature of it as well. So let me show you guys how you guys can delete a Deezer account without any further ado. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's jump right into the video. First step is you want to go to your search engine and you want to go to, after you search for Deezer, you want to click on where it says Deezer Listen to Music online music streaming platform. You want to click on it and it's going to take you to the official website of Deezer. You need to wait for some time. Now once you're over here, you want to log in into your account. After you log in into your account, you want to click on the profile picture looking icon. Now I haven't uploaded any profile picture, so it's empty, but if you guys have uploaded a profile picture, it's going to be displayed over here. You want to click on it. You want to go on where it says account setting. Once you're in account setting, you want to go on my information and you want to scroll at the bottom, and at the bottom there's delete my account. You want to click on it. Now once you're over here, as it shows, by deleting your account you will lose all your playlist, album and favorite artists. Basically now what you want to do is you want to enter your password of your Deezer account, and if you forgot the password of your Deezer account, you can always click on forgot your password to recover the password of your account. And after recovering the password, you can come over here again and enter a new password and click on delete my account. After you do that, basically your Deezer account will be deleted. So that's basically how you guys can delete your Deezer account. Just remember, once you delete it, your account will lose your playlist, album and all your favorite artists, so just keep that in mind. And if you guys have bought the premium version of it, it will lose your premium version. Alright, so just keep that in mind. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And for those people watching the video until the end, thanks for watching this video until the end. It's me, Kevin, signing out. And for more Deezer video, do hit that notification on.